You are probably familiar with the portrayal of ageing Australians in the media, burning their wealth on Winnebago tours and exclusive Rhine River cruises. Well, this is misleading, considering many are preserving significant assets, some with the intention of leaving a meaningful legacy. According to the Business Review Weekly, Australians will pass on a staggering estimated $3 trillion+ to future generations over the next 2 decades. It is not just the wealthy elite, but also ordinary Australians giving weight to these figures. Even if we don't feel rich, skyrocketing house prices, large superannuation balances, and generous insurance benefits have meant that many of us have substantial wealth to pass on. However, there are some fundamental misunderstandings about will-making and estate planning many wealthy Australians know about, but most ordinary Australians are less familiar with. The first misunderstanding is that a basic will on its own is enough to ensure your beneficiaries receive all property under your ownership and control. This is simply not the case. Having a basic will in the absence of associated estate planning documents ignores many significant threats and opportunities. Another misunderstanding is that the will-making process is simple. Many believe they can do it without professional planning or by completing a will kit. When you consult with legal professionals with expert estate planning experience, they ensure your beneficiaries receive the best outcome by drawing on knowledge in succession law, tax laws as they impact on deceased estate litigation and closing down vulnerabilities to potential claims, superannuation law, trust law, and asset protection. With the vast and complex nature of our legal system, most lawyers usually focus on a particular area of the law. A general practitioner or someone not practicing in the area of estate planning may not have the requisite knowledge to provide you with the best plan. Less surprisingly, filling out a will kit usually isn't enough to ensure your estate planning intentions are carried out. These template documents rarely address all significant property under your ownership or control. It is also hard for a layperson to get it right. Drafting will clauses and planning the transition of estate assets, although touted as being easy by those selling will kits, requires expert skills and knowledge. A poorly worded sentence inserted in a will kit could spell confusion, infighting, and litigation for your beneficiaries. Another equally important misunderstanding is that when you write a will, your intentions will always be carried out. In actual fact, the law allows eligible people to make a claim against your estate, and if successful, the court can effectively rewrite your will to make payments to people you deliberately excluded. In other words, by exercising their legislated power, the courts may override your wishes. Without a professional plan, your hard-earned wealth is susceptible to claims like these. It is good to know that the potential impact of claims can be minimised by professional planning and appropriate documentation. Finally, neglecting to understand these issues and to plan well invariably leaves beneficiaries with an emotional cost, stress in an already challenging time. Why not choose to maximise the benefit and longevity of the legacy you leave behind? If you intend to leave a legacy for those you care about and want things to play out as you intended, start by understanding some common estate planning mistakes and solutions. Be sure to watch the Liberty Law series of short videos. Are you ready to take the next steps? The first step towards an estate plan is making contact with us for a free blueprint session. It will cost you nothing apart from 20 minutes of your time. In the free blueprint session, we map out your next best steps moving forward. Why free? The reason we provide the blueprint session for free is so you can determine if Liberty Law is a good fit for you, and so we can determine if you are a good fit for the services and expertise we offer. Regardless of the outcome, the blueprint is yours to keep. To find out more and book your blueprint, visit www.libertylaw.com.au/free blueprint or call us on 07 3216 1999. Liberty Law is a firm of registered Australian legal practitioners focused on quality wills and estate plans.